and good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a TikTok sound, your alarm. First things first, what you'll want to do is head onto your TikTok app, then select a video that has the audio that you want to use as your sound alarm. Once you've done that, press the share button. Then, doing this will open a number of selections on what you can do with the video. From here, press Save Video. Once your video is saved, open your Google Play Store app and install any video to MP3 application. Once your application is installed, we can now proceed by opening the video to MP3 Converter app. Upload the video that you want to convert to an MP3 and install it right after. Once that's all done, head to your clock app, select an alarm, and then press music on device. Upload the MP3 of your audio and set that as the sound alarm. And that's it! You can now make a TikTok sound your alarm. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.